Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 7:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, May 26th, 2021. Okay, let's get started with this. This is not financial advice and intended only for educational purposes. There's a Twitter link below in the description. If you want to stay up to date with my latest videos, click on that. Let's move forward. Okay, 43 spots, 7 cents. That's where we're at. My exit point is not hit yet. It's okay. Let's move on to the markets, and we'll go through more of this in the morning for the newbies. So here we are. NuCypher US dollar. Man, we were 35. We're 35 now, but we were at 37.66 cents earlier on. And by earlier on, I just mean like, an hour or two ago. I was looking at Coinbase and I couldn't believe it. It was like everything was like 15%, 10%, 8%, 6% up. And then NuCypher 30%. It was the biggest dog on that list. So, wow. Interesting. So I'm not sure how that happened. Usually everyone complains that this is the dog of all the other ones. Well, finally we had our moment. Anyway, I'm just, let's just enjoy the moment when we have it. So we'll go over to Bitcoin, find out what's going on. This is still sort of, I'm not sure. I think we're almost done with this upside down head and shoulders, or inverted head and shoulders, which is generally bullish. Today I started spotting, and I started calling this out not only on my Twitter but also on some of the earlier videos I did for RLC and GRT. This could be a slightly bearish downward wedge. Why don't I give a crap? Because we got like, all right, it's only a couple of days in the a few days in the making. It wouldn't be a big deal if we had a small dip here. I don't expect it to drop like the way it did in the last, this past weekend and the week before. So we'll just keep our eye on it, but nothing I'm concerned about. I still think we're treading higher. NuCypher Bitcoin, we are definitely doing very well here. Like a shot straight to the moon. Someone was just tired. It was like, all right, I need to just get back to this 900 because this is where I live. And I'm used to where I live. And why am I used to where I live? Because it always acts as a resistance and support line. It seems to be the theme throughout the beginning of time for this currency pair, NuCypher Bitcoin. So it felt like it needed to come home again. So let it come home to 900. And then home should start, we should start taking a different, we've already explored this side of the earth. Let's explore the other side of this scrimmage line. And I know it sounds like a little fairy tale that I'm telling you guys right now, and gals, but it's the God's honest truth. This stuff really is, there are real trends with these cups. This is like, look it up on the pattern site or anything. Look for cup and handle pattern. It's very well recognized. For less liquid assets or less liquid trading assets like NuCypher, it's not like you're pouring like billions of dollars aren't changing hands every day on this stuff. But as because of the fact that there's not such high volume, it gets very choppy, very wicky. So you'll see this kind of action on a cup and handle for this thing. And you saw it over here too. If you just blow it out, there was a lot of that stuff going on too. So let's see how this thing goes, but it looks like we wicked straight. We just pulled up. We pulled up on that line, which is great. Anyway, I don't want to belabor tonight. I want to just enjoy the moment. I want you all to enjoy the moment. If you're invested, great. If you're not, look, you still, this thing, I anticipate this thing to go a lot higher anyway, so I don't think there's really ever a bad point to go in. However, that being said, layer in. Don't put it all on one trade. Put a little bit on NuCypher and then wait. See if there's a pullback, put another one. And try to use as much technical analysis as you can to sort of predict those spots. Anyway, I'm out of here. And for Long John, I'm going to go have my pasta now, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Take care.